The first thing you need to do is open a new tab on your Google Chromebook and type in www.blogger.com. When you have that typed in, click enter. It should take you to your home page. I believe that since you are signed in already on your Chromebooks, this step should already happen for you. So it should take you to something like this. You will notice on the left hand of your screen, it says New Blog. You will click that. On this page, you need to come up with the title of your blog. Be creative, have fun, but also be appropriate. I'm going to have my blog called Stamps Sweet MVMS Readers. The next thing that you need to do is come up with the address of your blog. A lot of times, people use the same address from their title. If you would like to shorten yours, you can. As you start typing, it will tell you if it is available or not. Stamp Sweet Readers is available, so I'm going to go ahead and use that as my address. The next thing you will do is scroll down and find a template that you would like to use. Now, if you're not quite sure, just choose one. You can switch it later on when you have a better idea of what you want to do. I'm going to just keep simple, and I'm going to click Create Blog. From here, you'll see your blog has been created. You can start posting or you can dismiss it. We are going to dismiss this and instead click on the title itself. When you click on the title, it takes you to the home page of your blog. You'll see over on the left-hand screen that there are many different tabs you can click on and check out. I'm going to give you the time to do that in a little bit, but first I want you to click on Settings. On these settings, we want to make it so it's private, so only you, me, and other people who have the link can view your blog. That way not everyone in the world can see these. The first one that you need to go to is under the basic, privacy. It said listed on Blogger, visible to search engines. We are going to edit that, and we are not going to be visible on our listings, and we're not going to let search engines find us. So you should click No, No. When you've done that, click Save Changes. If this comes up the top, settings were saved successfully, you may move on to the next step. The next step, you're going to go down to Permissions, to Blog Readers, and right now we have it as Edit. Again, we are going to edit that, and a drop-down menu should come up. You're going to say Private only these readers. This may change, and it can change whenever you decide to, and when we talk about it as a class, but for now, let's click Private only these readers. Again, click Save Changes. And if it was saved successfully, a yellow box will pop up. Now that we have our privacy settings completed, we are going to move on to the layout. So if you come over and click Layout, it should take you to a page that kind of gives what your blog screen will look like. I'm usually not too picky, so a lot of times I just keep mine how it is until I decide that I want to make a change. So for now, this is good for me. If you would like to, you can play around on yours at another time. Now click on Template. When I told you at the beginning to just choose a template and you could change it later, this is what I'm talking about. If at any time you would like to change the template of your blog, this is where you should go. Right now I am on Simple, but if I scroll down, I can see these other options. After looking at them more, if I want to choose them, I can. Again, I'm going to stay with my Simple. If you would like a different one or a different layout, you can click on it and it previews it. I like how this has books, so I'm actually going to apply this to my blog. Next, I want you to view your blog to see what it looks like. Right now, this is your blog. This is what it would look like. Are you happy with it? Are there changes you want to make? If so, check out my video, How to Customize Your Blog. Happy blogging, boys and girls.